You about the trip today? Do you enjoy the trip?
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Foods are good.
Yeah, thank you very
good.
much for booking the tour with Deluxe Vietnam Tour. Yeah,
Yes,
thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Yeah,
You look like Jackie Chan, eh?
yeah.
Parang ano? Alhambra. Diretso yung power ko sa pwede ko. Ako rin eh. Yung iwa. Iwa ng pwede ko. Yung power.
It's good.
Matikip, magmaluwag dyan ng konti.
Ha? Hindi,
Maluwag.
Ha? Sakto yun sa'yo.
Sakto lang sa paningin ko, ah.
Yeah, sakto lang.
May uniform pa eh. Doble. Sikipan ako.
O, isa pa. Ano pa? Yung next size dyan. Anong size yan? Medium.
Kasi yung haba. Medyo malaki na yan. Eh, may shot ka pa sa loob.
Oo nga. She should get large.
Tama nga lang. Kaya sakto lang yan.
Now, the end of the tour.
Yes.
Do you happy with the tour?
What?
Do you happy with the tour?
What?
Are you happy with the tour?
Are you happy with the tour?
Happy, happy with the tour. Yes, I'm very happy.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do we need to do anything to improve the tour quality?
I don't know because it's just like 3 days. That's
Yeah.
like, for me, everything is excellent.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Me
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, thank you.
Everything's
Thank you.
fine.